Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Zawarusan YouTube channel. My name is Zawarusan and I am here to tell you something which is important. This life is very important and blessing of God. If we do not value it, if we do not understand its value and its importance, then we cannot make our life beautiful. Life is beautiful. It is up to us to make it dull or make it beautiful. If we want to make our life very beautiful and worth living, then we should try our best to attach ourselves with hard work, with knowledge, because knowledge is a key to understanding. And if we realize the reality of life, then we will face the difficulties. So we should work and work.